Let's divide 152 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We'll bring down the first digit, which is 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0. 0 times 2 is still 0. Let's write that down. 1 minus 0 leaves us with 1. We're on our way. See, you're already doing great. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Welcome to step 2. We've got a new number to work with. We bring down the 5, joining the remainder 1 to make 15. How many times does 2 go into 15? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 7. Let's check. 7 times 2 equals 14. Nice. Now subtract. 15 minus 14 leaves us with 1. You're rocking this. Just one more step to go. Get ready for the final digit. Here we are at the last step. You've got this. We bring down the 2 to join the remainder 1, making 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It's 6. We're almost there. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 is exactly 12. Perfect. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0. No remainder. Woohoo, you solved it. High five. We've reached the end of our division journey. Look at your amazing work. We did it. We found out that 152 divided by 2 is 76. Great job, everyone. We tackled each step of the long division like true math champions. Remember, every problem you solve makes you a little bit stronger. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out our other videos for more math fun. See you next time.